discuss about the general framework of cell. So now today discussing about the plasma membrane structure. So plasma membrane is a very important part of the cell. You know already last class discussed about the parts of cell. They are of number one plasma membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus. Out of these three important parts, plasma membrane is also very important, major role play in the existing of cell. So first is the plasma membrane. It is the outer lining of the cell is called as plasma membrane. Generally it is outer lining in the plant, in the animal cell. So in the plant cell, after plasma membrane, so cell wall is there. So below the cell wall, plasma membrane is there. So whatever it may be, so we want to discuss about the animal cell. That's why it is called as outer lining of the cell. It is a compound wall like that. So inside the plasma membrane, cytoplasm is there. In the cytoplasm, nucleus is present. This is the general information about the plasma membrane. Now I am discussing about the general internal structure of the plasma membrane. So numerous theories are put forward to explain the different kind of models are given to understanding purpose to the students. There are number one, the first theory is called a trilaminar theory. First, trilaminar theory. So it is the Robertson is described this theory. Second one is the so where the second one is there here, bilaminar theory. Daniel and Davison is given this important theory. Third one is the lattice model, Walker is given. So next one is the fourth one is the micellar model. It is given by the Hiller and Hoffman. So last is the Daniel and Davison is given by the fluid mosaic model. So like that, five important models are given to explain of the internal structure of the plasma membrane. Out of these five models, first is the Robertson given model. First trilaminar theory is proposed by the Robertson. According to the Robertson, plasma membrane is made by the three layers. How many layers? Three layers. Out of these three layers, outer layer and inner layer is made by the protein in nature. Middle layer is made by the lipid in nature. It means two layers. That is the protein layer outer, middle, lipid layer, inner, protein layer. Two protein layer, one lipid layer is present. According to the Robertson, plasma membrane is made by the three layers. So that is outer layer is made by the approximately 20 angstrom thickness. This is the 20 angstrom thickness, both outer and inner. Middle layer is made by the 35 angstrom thickness. Total how much thickness is there? Total 75 thickness angstrom thickness is present in the plasma membrane according to Robertson. According to Robertson, plasma membrane is made by three layers. That is the two protein outer and inner is made by the protein in nature. Middle layer is made by the lipid in nature. So lipid molecules are two important parts of the lipid molecule. That is the head region hydrophobic, tail region is called as hydrophilic. Hydrophobic, hydrophilic. Hydrophilic molecules are so towards the inside, hydrophobic head is towards the outside. This is a common structure of Robertson given the very simple model. According to Robertson, plasma membrane is made by three layers, two protein layer, one is lipid layer. So this is the general structure of Robertson given information according to their views. Second one is what is the second? Bilaminar theory. This is called a trilaminar theory. So bilaminar theory. So this bilaminar theory is proposed by the Daniel and Davison. According to the Daniel and Davison, plasma membrane is made by only two layers. Plasma membrane is made by two layers. The two layers also belongs to the lipid in nature. But what happened here? The lipid outer surface of the lipid is coated by the protein nature. It means protein, lipid. These two belongs to one layer. This is lipid, protein. These two are belongs to one layer. So that is a fat. Lipids are coated by the protein molecule. So that's why according to this Daniel and Davison, plasma membrane is made by the two layers. That is outer coated protein nature containing lipid layer, inner protein coated lipid layer. So like that, two layers are there. This theory is proposed by the Daniel and Davison. Third one is lattice model theory proposed by the Walker. According to the Walker, so here very important. So these all boxes are made by the proteins. So inside the box holes, what are they? They are the lipids. So what I mean, this model is a mesh distributed here and there. So this complete framework is made with the proteins. Inside protein molecules distributed the lipid molecules. It means mesh-like structure is proposed by the lattice model is proposed by the Wolfer. So fourth one, micellar model, it is proposed by the Hoffman and Hiller. So according to the micellar, so here plasma membrane is made of micellar unit. So now this is the one micellar, this is the other micellar, and the third micellar. Like that, what happened here? So micellar means here frame-like, star-like structure. This is the hydrophobic, hydrophilic. This all are made by the lipid molecules. Heads, tails. Generally, you know, tails are towards the inside, heads are towards the outside. The outside, whatever protein is coated by like this pattern. Completely hydrophobic nature containing heads are coated by protein layer. This is one micellar. Is there other micellar? Is there third? Like that, plasma membrane is made by numerous micellars. So like that, four important theories are put forward in different ways. In these first one, Robertson trilaminar theory. According to the trilaminar theory, plasma membrane is made by three layers. According to the bilaminar theory, plasma membrane is made by two layers. According to the lattice model theory, plasma membrane is not made by any layers. Plasma membrane is also looks like a mesh-like framework is there. The proteins are made a mesh-like framework. Inside the protein molecules, what are they? Lipid molecules are distributed. So next, micellar model. Numerous micellar units are present in the plasma membrane. So each micellar is coated by lipid molecule. So like that, four important theories are put forward: Robertson theory, trimodal theory, Damian-Davison theory, bilaminar theory, lattice model. Wolfer is proposed. Micellar theory is proposed by the Hoffman. So like that, four important theories are put forward to explain the plasma membrane structure. So fifth one is also, that is the fluid mosaic theory. It is also very important. In this fluid mosaic theory, so here what happened, the complete lipid molecules are present in the form of liquid in nature, protein molecules are present in the solid in nature. So these solid molecules, proteins are flowing here and in the lipid molecules. It means, you know, C is there. In the sea, if when you are added to the ice, so you take a one glass of water, in this water added to the ice. So then what happens? Water is similar to the lipid molecules, ice is the protein molecules. So like that. So what happens? The fluid nature containing lipid molecules, C. You know C is the fluid molecule. In this C, if ice added, in this sea, what happens in the summer season, the winter season, ice is forming. The ice pieces are protein in nature. So it means C in the sea. So solid nature containing proteins are moving here and outside and inside. So like that, fluid mosaic theory also. Fifth theory is proposed by the Singer and Daniel and Davison. Like that, five theories are there. Robertson trimodal, Daniel and Davison bimodal. So lattice theory, Wolfer, and micellar theory, Hoffman, and last one is also fluid mosaic theory. So like that, five theories are put forward to explain the plasma membrane structure. Tomorrow discuss plasma membrane function.